I know that I'm very late in publishing my unboxing of the YesStyle Advent Calendar. I have no idea when this video is going to be published at all. So here it is finally. This obviously is themed. I mean, it's a travel themed Advent Calendar packed like a luggage trunk and titled Jet Set Glow. Their sort of explanation is that you can't travel during a pandemic. So yeah, let's pretend that we're traveling instead. Now, very quickly, hang on. Here is last year's. I think last year's was definitely bigger. And cuteness-wise, I preferred last year's packaging, definitely. In terms of contents as well, I preferred last year's. But the thing is, it's hard not to get this calendar wrong because everything is full size. So even if you do have a couple of dots, the value is still there. What they do get wrong is that bizarre launch process wherein, you know, about 10, 20, 4, 6, whatever, very small quantities are released every Tuesday or whenever. And you try to buy along with 1 million people, and it sells out in half an nanosecond. So that happens. And I failed to get this the very first time this time. Last year I got it in the very first attempt. Now this year it is very skincare and acne centric, as I told you in my price breakdown video. Not much by way of makeup. There is some makeup there nevertheless, but you know, it's very acne skin friendly. This means that it is very timely for me because I have a lot of maskne. Now let's try and open this and get on with the unboxing because you've already seen all of it. And yeah, that is how it opens. Hang on, let me try and find a way to unbox without it falling off the entire stand. Right, I'm going to have to be very careful here. So here you have inspiring phrases in various languages. Now I'm not going to go into any of that. Let's start unboxing right away. I have my price list from that price breakdown video here, so I can tell you the prices in case you want to know, or if you forgot. Day one. Right, full size. Everything is full size. I'm not going to say full size from now on. I'm from Fig Cleansing Balm, 100 mils, $29.90. $29.90, it's sealed. Yeah, it does contain fig oil, water, moringa oil, and turmeric, and is your ideal first cleanse. So this actually contains everything that you need for your skincare routine. Right, let's just take that out of the box. This is the most exciting. Very nice. It's sealed. I'm not going to open it now because I'm currently using the Face Shop Rice Water Cleansing Bright Oil, and after that finishes I will be starting this. So this emulsifies beautifully according to this box and turns into milk upon contact with water. I'm looking forward to trying this out. Now let's find out where day 2 is. As you can see, these are not in order. That is something that irks me a great deal with these Advent calendars. Oh dear. Yeah, so that is day 2, and that is the Aromatica Reviving Rose Infusion Cream Cleanser, retailing at $23.90. Sorry, $23.90. This 145 grams. It contains no mineral oil and is your second cleanser. It is supposed to be a foaming cleanser, but I don't spy any sulfates in it. So yeah, first cleanse and second cleanse. I told you your entire skincare routine right here. 3. Yeah, 3. Oh dear, I feel like last year it was easier to pull out those drawers. Yeah, these are what I don't find exciting in this Advent calendar. These are Hydrogel eye and cheek patches, parts that hydrate you. You know, apply one to your face and leave it on for a bit. And then throw it away once it prunes off. Unfortunately, these contain carrageenan, which is an ingredient that absolutely breaks me out, and that is not what I want to do. And if that wasn't enough, these also contain shea butter. Those patches are $29.50. $29.50. You get 5 of those. 4 is very tiny. Yeah, I'm gonna have to support the calendar from behind because this stand is too small. This is sealed. Let me just open that. Now this one retailing at $13.90 is the Roman Better Than Eyes Music Series Eyeshadow Quad. Hang on, let me get that out of the box so I can show you. That's what it looks like. Now I have with me the Roman Anne of Green Gables palette. So as you can see, they are the exact same thing, the exact same colors. The only difference there is that, I mean, I've obviously used the Anne of Green Gables one. And obviously there is a difference in the packaging. The Anne of Green Gables one has Anne there. The music one has a music note there. Number 5 is next. Let's find out where, yeah, here we are. So this advent calendar isn't as sturdy as it was last year. There are, you know, breakages. There's a breakage here, there's damage here, there's damage beneath, and there's damage on the other side as well. So last year, it's still in very good nick, and I am not, you know, a very smooth handler. Now this is the Troiareuke Cell Energy Mask Formula, 50 mils, retailing at $26.90. It is a 3-in-1 cream, clay and modeling mask. Everything in this advent calendar is sealed. Where did I put those scissors? And that is what the mask looks like. Now this is just an unboxing. I know I will get a lot of hate saying you didn't show us the products properly. If you want me to talk about the individual products at length, that is a product review. Much later. I'm just seeing these for the first time today. I will have to use them on first. So that was day 5. Let's try day 6 next. Now this is a product that I've been wanting to try for a while. It is Dear Klairs Fundamental Watery Oil Drop, retailing at $31 US. Here's the thing, there is no oil in here at all. There are peptides, ceramides, green tea. It's a serum, yeah, 50 mils, and it also has licorice extract. So you get the benefits of a facial oil without the oily finish. It's basically an oil-free serum, people. Scissors. I've heard very good things about this product, and I've been dying to try it. Let me just open that. Glass bottle. Report coming after I've tested it out sufficiently. Number 7 is next. Now, this is the Moonshot Tintfit Shine in the shade Mood Berry, retailing at $10.90. Sorry, $10.90. Everything here is dollars, people. I can't really smell anything. That shade will definitely suit me. I look forward to trying this out. Number 8 is next, and I'm so excited about number 8. Pyunkang Black Tea Time Reverse Eye Cream, people. $41.90, 25 mils. Right, in a beautifully packaged tin. This is eye cream. So this is a recent launch with mulberry extracts. Now let's see what day 9 has. My God, look at how tightly packed these are. These are 3 different peeling foot masks. Yeah, peeling foot masks from the brand Village Leaven Factory. These retail at $17.70. Number 10 obviously is Skin and Lab Medicica Calming Cream, retailing at $17.90, and this is 50 mils. Cica obviously is Centella Asiatica, and it also has green tea extracts. Unfortunately, it contains isoparaffin and olive oil, which means it is probably going to cause breakouts in me. So I may not use this, particularly not now. Eventually, maybe. That's in this corner. This is from Macqueen. It is the Jewel-Poten Eye Glitter, and it retails at $12.90. And the shade that I have is called Orange Topaz. Yeah, that is a shade that I'll just swatch it and then come close to the camera. Alright, that color will show up on my skin tone, but it is not a color or a product that excites me. Number 12, and that is from Mizon. It is actually the Collagen Curling Fix Mascara that retails at $6.90. Apparently, it fills your lashes with collagen in order to facilitate growth, and the curl holds for a good 24 hours. Yeah, I will be trying it out, but I'm not going to open it because, you know, you've got to throw away a mascara 3 months after opening it, and I've got 1 or 2 open right now. Once those are done, yeah. 13 is right next to 12, and yes, this is, despite it being 13, this one is lucky. It is a product that I really wanted to try. By Wishtrend Sulfur 3% Clean Gel, 30 grams, retailing at $21. Spot treatment containing colloidal sulfur and vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. Perfect if you have acne. acne. This thing is oil free, and apparently you apply a very thin layer on your face and then you have to sleep. Or you can apply it as a spot treatment with Q-tips. Number 14 is next. These are from Purito. All Care Recovery Cica-Aid Acne Patches. There are 51 acne patches in here. I love my Cosrx acne pimple master patches. But I haven't tried these, obviously. But I'm looking forward to it. Because, yeah, these contain hydrocolloidal, I mean the plaster's a hydrocolloidal one. Asiatic acid and madicosic acid. That is a Cica in there. And as far as I can see, it is oil free. I look forward to this because, you know, I'm always getting these bombs on my face. Yes, so that retails at $14.90. $14.90. Now let's see what number 15 has. This is from Unique. Black Snail Restore Serum, 50 ml, retailing at $17.90, containing blueberry, rice, coffee, sesame, eggplant, licorice, cica, and rosehip extracts. Yeah, quite a few superfoods in there. Let me just open that. And that is what it looks like. It's quite clear, as you can see there. Apart from Rosa Canina fruit oil, this is oil-free, not even hydrogenated castor oil, people. So if you're acne prone, this is a very good serum to try. Now that was day 15. Let's see what day 16 has. Now that is from a favorite brand of mine, Cosrx. This is the Ccup Powder. Purefit Cica Powder, $12.90. Centellariatica powder to be applied on red angry spots. 7 grams you get. Now, although I've tried the niacinamide powder from The Ordinary, thought on that coming later, and the ascorbic acid powder from The Ordinary, I've never tried a Cica powder. Looking forward to it. I mean, not really. That means that I have to get acne to try. Hopefully I won't have to, but yeah, I will. I know I'm very acne prone, people. Number 17 is next, and I thought I spied 17 somewhere. Yeah, here we are. And that is from Some By Me. This is a sleeping mask. Yuja Niacin Brightening Sleeping Mask containing Yuja 70.5% and niacinamide 5%. People, this is 60 grams, retailing at $18.90. In addition, it also contains arbutin and glutathione, making it a brightening product. The only little problem is that it contains biotin. Now, biotin, when I take biotin supplements for the hair, I end up with angry breakouts. I've never tried biotin on my skin topically. I will be trying it eventually and seeing what it does. If it works topically, I will continue with it. Otherwise, I'm afraid that I can't use this product. 18 is next. 18. Clavu. It is a lipstick. Urban Pearlization Velvet Lipstick. And the shade that I have is Marsala. Let me just open that. Very immensely pretty lipstick. Doesn't smell of anything. Let me just swatch that. That retails at $13.90. Next we come to number 19. Yeah, this is from I'm Mimi. That is Mimi box, I suppose. I'm Lip Jelly. You get 02 Berry Jelly. I didn't like the plastic packaging. Cardboard box would have been enough. Oh, so pretty with those little hearts inside, retailing at $7.90. Now, I'm not sure what happens to those little hearts when you start applying the product, but I look forward to finding out. Number 20 is next. Isintry, the brand is. And this is the hyaluronic acid water essence. I have the cream of this and I really like it. Let me open that. And this is 50 ml and retails at $26. No, not 26, oopsie, $26.90. So this contains 8 different molecular weights of hyaluronic acid. Is a certain brand whose sodium hyaluronate 30 ml retails at £235. Listening? Very nice. Beautiful bottle. Glass. It also contains beta-glucan, an ingredient I've been looking forward to trying. So this is definitely on my will use list. Now let's find out where number 21 is. This is a product that we've seen from other brands. It is the plant-based AC Clear Spot Magic Powder, and you get 20 ml, which retails at $12.90. Yeah, now that I've unboxed it, it's sort of all shaken up. what happens is, if it stands long enough, the powder settles at the bottom, and you dip a Q-tip in it, and then you apply that powder directly to your acne patch, and it really dries out that acne. So I've used it before. I mean, not the same thing. I've seen it before from Etude House. Now we come to number 22. Again, tightly packed inside. 5 different sheet masks from Neogen. These are the probiotic mask, relief masks, and they retail at $15.90, not a piece, for the whole set. So probiotic sheet mask. While I don't like getting any sheet mask in any advent calendar, it is better to get 5 sheet masks than 1. Now the packaging here is not plasticky, it's more paper finish. I don't know if there's foil or, a layer of plastic inside. I'll only know when I find out. I'll let you know. Number 23 is next. This is a product that I'm not too excited about. Last year we had a similar product from a brand called Agatha. This year it is from a brand called VDL. This is the Lumilare Primer. Last year there was a primer from Agatha. Generally Korean face primers, generally Korean complexion products don't suit me. I am South Asian, people. Very pale products don't suit me. A lot of Korean products are, complexion products are very pale. Obviously, they're made for Korean people who are pale skinned, are paler skinned than I am, definitely. Or than South Asians are, for sure. Yeah, white finish, look at that. Now, I know that although primers can look white in bottles, they often end up transparent, you tell me? Hang on, I'll just spread that out and come close to the camera, yeah? Yeah, and before I forget, this retails at $21.90, and there is a good 30 mils of that. I'm going to show you, you can see the white cast from there, can't you? Yeah, for some reason I can't get my camera to focus. Anyway, leaves a white cast. Lastly, very sad to reach the end of this, number 24, and that is from Agatha. It is the Face Lookbook, sealed, let me open it, Face Contour Lookbook, and that retails at $40.90, and is a face palette. Why do they have to have this plastic wrapping? There is no need. It is bad for the environment, this, No other product had it. I wasn't expecting it here. I would say that one of the blushes is too pale. The highlighter, one of the highlighters is definitely too pale. One highlighter, one bronzer, and the orange blush I can use. So those are the 24 products in the YesStyle Advent Calendar. I already talked about each one when I did that price breakdown video, people. And these add up to $489.20. And you pay $169 for the Advent Calendar. 8 makeup products, 1 bath and body, that is a foot mask, and 15 skincare products. So it's very skincare centric, very acne care centric, very timely therefore for me, which is why this is my favorite Advent Calendar for 2020. Did you get this? What are your thoughts on it? Do tell me that in the comments below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Please hit the subscribe button. Please ring the notifications bell. I'll speak to you